Imagine a world where our satellites, GPS, and communication systems are at risk, not from natural disasters, but from the very debris we've left behind in space. Every year, thousands of satellites are launched, and with them, millions of pieces of space junk. These fragments, some as small as a grain of sand, pose a significant threat to our technological infrastructure. Even tiny debris can cause catastrophic damage. A collision between two satellites can create thousands of new fragments, compounding the problem. This escalating issue could lead to the Kessler Syndrome, a scenario where the density of objects in low Earth orbit is high enough to trigger a catastrophic cascade of collisions, rendering space unusable for future missions. Recognizing the urgency, scientists are calling on the United Nations to spearhead global efforts in managing space traffic and debris. Currently, over 14,000 satellites orbit Earth, with approximately 120 million pieces of debris, most too small to track, but still hazardous. Experts propose creating a comprehensive, shared database to track these objects, enabling better coordination and collision avoidance. International collaboration is essential. By sharing data and resources, we can develop effective strategies to mitigate space debris and ensure the sustainability of our space environment. Innovative solutions like robotic missions to remove debris are being explored to address this growing concern. The future of space exploration depends on our actions today. It's time to unite and protect the final frontier. Together, we can ensure that space remains a safe and sustainable environment for generations to come.